Insert the username and password you have chosen. This is the Plesk Control panel. From here you can access your databases, FTP accounts, file manager, website builder, statistics reports, backups and more. You can create a database by clicking on the Create a Database button inside the Databases page. Adding a new domain is simple. All you need to do is to click a button. Next, type your new domain name in the input box. You will also need to specify a folder name, or leave it as default. Here you will upload your website files. Configure your FTP accounts by going to the FTP Access tab. Here you can create new accounts or change and update passwords. We recommend using FileZilla as your FTP client. FileZilla is a free software. After you insert your login information in the FileZilla client, you will have access to your server files. The HTTP docs folder is the place where you will be uploading your website files. Content management systems such as WordPress, Joomla or Drupal are available for installing on your hosting account. If you are more knowledgeable about web design, you could try our website builder application. There are many already built themes that you can immediately use or customize to suit your needs. Web statistics are very important for monitoring your website visitors and other critical data. If you have other questions regarding the control panel or you are experiencing problems with our services, do not hesitate to contact our customer support team.